then the matching Benayo. We're almost out of laundry softener, so I thought I would get these 2 bottles. What?
Stop putting our business outside.
Ka business? Costa Siki ka ba to?
Look at Joshua, Jennyfer. Hij moet jullie niet meer uitnodigen.
Waarom niet?
Jullie gaan Shaida leren hoe ze moet inpakken en buiten zetten. Je gaat me een dagje bellen voor je pin. Shaida heeft me op de trend gezet. Zonder mijn crypto.
Hey amiga, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is obviously gonna be a vlog, probably a multiple day vlog because it's currently already pretty late into the day, but we will see how it goes. I am now in the process of going to do my makeup. Like, I already showered, I already did my skincare, body care, all of that. And I'm now about to get ready because Benny and I are gonna film a video together. So I'm getting ready for that, and then after that I'm just gonna proceed with my usual schedule for the day. So yeah. Oh, and I also edit and upload a vlog this morning and put it all into place for tomorrow because tomorrow is gonna be Friday and it's gonna be the second upload for Vlogmas. And yeah, I'm just really happy that it's going that well, so pray for me that it continues to go that way. But yeah, we're gonna manifest that it's gonna go that way. We're gonna be consistent. This is totally gonna work. Yes. But yeah, I'm now gonna get ready. I'm gonna quickly do my makeup. I still need to wash my makeup brushes, so it's gonna be a very basic look because I need to select which brushes aren't dirty to do my makeup with. But yeah, let's do it. By the way, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. And we're gonna go ahead and get into this day. Let me show you my little outfit of the day. I am wearing these jeans. This is from Primark. It is their high-waisted mom jeans. And then this white top on top. This is from Zara from a few years ago. Underneath it I'm wearing like a tank top. And then my head wrap, I decided to change out my headband for this head wrap from, or a scarf, it's a silk scarf from Cocolici. It is their domino scarf. thought it would be a fun pop of color. Hair is a wig, obviously. And then my jewelry is Nelly, Kokolishi, and Lovelies by Lulu. And this one is also Lovelies by Lulu. And yeah, just socks because I'm at home and I'm not going anywhere. So yeah, let's film. Alright, amiga. Benny and I finished editing. Benny and I finished shooting the video. Yeah, such a good time, but it's also a whole hour later. So yeah, that's that. I'm now gonna make a few TikToks because I need to stay on my game there as well. So I'm gonna shoot a few TikToks. I have a few in my drafts, but I'm not really happy with them. You know, they're cute, but I like to switch up the outfits here and there and not like have like 6 TikToks behind each other with the same outfit. So I think I'm gonna look up some TikToks to do now. It's so funny that this is a new platform and that I actually have to put time into this now. But yeah, it's a platform where a lot of people follow me and that is also bringing me a lot of joy. So we're gonna do some TikToks now. I did it. I almost did it. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Eta mi mami secreto, mi baby proebi. Bossa me estima, sai tambe wakbo, smile visa golden prize. Okay, almost, Jenny, almost. What's up, amiga? It is now the next day. Yesterday I ended up not taking very good care of myself. I just had one meal, which is not very healthy. So after I finished filming the TikToks, I went into the kitchen and made dinner, and after that I just ended up like relaxing for the rest of the night. But today is a new day. Today is Friday and I am about to go on a little girls' date with my friend Salwa. I haven't seen her in forever and she needed to drop something off anyway, so we thought this would be an amazing opportunity to just meet up. If you don't remember, she is the friend who got married that I went to her Moroccan wedding last year. But yeah, I am meeting her today. We are gonna go have a coffee and chit chat, like catch up on time, you know? So yeah, I'm now waiting for her. I'm already dressed and everything, wearing like something very simple, this oversized blazer, and under it I have this crew neck vest. It is a little bit oversized. I'll show you later probably. Jeans and then Nike Jordans, like these. And yeah, I'm gonna wait for her and I'll talk to you when she is here. Amiga, your girl is back home. I had such a good time with my friend Salwa. We catched up, had delicious coffee, and afterwards we also went to Action. And I have a little Action haul for you, so let's get into it. Maybe I should take like a few of the things out and then talk about them. But so the first thing I got is laundry softener. And I got this Soupline one. It smells like baby, I would say. And I also got the other one from Supreme. And this one says Nature Dream. And it just smells like these flowers. It smells really soft. And we were out of laundry, or almost out of laundry softener. So I thought I would get these 2 bottles. What?
Stop putting our business outside.
Got business. Ik was dat ziek toch?
Puur oude ding. Daarom denken mensen dat we onze kleren met water gaan wassen.
Hi boy. Anyways, we stocked up on these.
How much money did you spend on candles?
I paid 40 euros.
For everything?
For everything.
For the whole bag?
For the whole bag. Yes, so.
What is this?
It's a plate to put candles on. Here on the table.
Get nog een candle.
Thank you. Can I have the back of the nuts before?
You want the back of nuts?
Let me talk about the nuts first. Okay, so I got some snacks. I got these
nuts.
These nuts. This is a cashew cranberry mix. So I have 2 of those. We also get this one delivered from Albert Heijn, but actually it was way cheaper, so I decided to go for it. And also some unsalted natural cashews. And then also a bag of cranberries and raisins, because that is just very good for your female feminine parts. You know, just putting it out there. What? What are you looking at?
What is good for you for JJ?
Cranberries.
Why?
And raisins. I don't know, it's just very good for your feminine parts. Why? For the health of it.
What does it do?
I don't know, it's good for your... I don't know, Benny, I will have to Google it for you.
So you're telling people that something is good, but you don't know why it's good?
I always grew up hearing that it's good for your JJ.
Oh, okay. I heard drugs is good for you too.
Drugs?
Yes.
What kind of drugs?
Every drugs is good for you.
Loco.
Bota loco, toch?
See?
Waarom?
Drugs isn't good for you.
Yes, it is. People said it is good.
No.
Just like how you are telling people that cranberry is good.
Cranberry is good.
Meisje, het is niet goed.
Het is goed voor je JJ.
Het is goed. Mag ik?
Yeah, can you go open it in the kitchen? I also got these kitchen towels, like in this fun green color. It's and then the matching Benayo. So much lawaai voor een zakje nootjes te openen. And then I also got the matching one to dry the, how do you say, a tea cloth or something? Is that how you call this? I'm not sure. Anyways, these 2, it's a set. Here, Benny, can you put it in the kitchen? Thank you. Okay, next up is candles. I got a pack of this, like 2 times. These are just simple vanilla tea light candles. So 2 packs of those. And then I also got like some Airwick candles. I got 2 of the Summer Breeze ones. They smell like vanilla, but vanilla on crack, if I may say so. Like just something more than vanilla, just vanilla, you know? So that's that. Then I also got the simple vanilla ones. I just love vanilla candles, also by Airwick. And then what else do we got? I got these mini ones. These are for in the bathroom or maybe for in my bedroom, because I don't burn candles there that much. So I thought these cute Z ones would be amazing for in the bedroom or bathroom. And then I also have this Airwick fruit cocktail with apricot and bananas. And it smells just really, really fresh, but also, I don't know. It's a good candle to burn in the morning, I would say. Next up, we got these 2 jars. One of them is green herbs, and it smells like winter, I would say. And then I also got the lemongrass one, and I really like this one. It smells like lemongrass. That's how I would describe it. Then we already have these, but they are burning up. So I got 2 of them. And they have a very light and soft scent, like a laundry room. Got 2 of those. And then I also got 2 of the Candela vanilla candles. And these are just amazing. They're big and they burn up for a very long time. I got 2 of those as well. So quite a lot of candles, but I love candles. I like lighting them in the morning. I feel like they are just perfect for a cozy moment, a self-care moment, a moment of concentration. When I'm journaling in my office, I like to light a candle. I just love it, you know, and especially around this time of the year. So that's it for my candles. So then I also got a hand wash. This is the Carnemilk hand soap, which is buttermilk hand soap. And it just smells super, super good. And it leaves your hands feeling soft and clean smelling. So I really like these. And they last a very, very long time since it's a pretty big bottle. So got those. Then I also got toothpaste, 2 of the Oral-B ones. And 2 of the Colgate ones with charcoal, caracol, I don't know, you know what I mean, charcoal I think it's called. Like it's a black toothpaste, but I love it. Ever since my sister introduced me to this, I've been obsessed. It's really good. And the last thing I got is this black plate, and I'm just gonna use this on this table to put some candles on. And I just thought it was like a nice and rustic look that I think will be nice on this table. So yeah, that is it for my action haul. A new Vlogmas video is going up tonight at 6. It's already scheduled and everything, so I'm gonna wait for that to go live so that I can cross promote it on my other social media channels and platforms. So I'm gonna do that now, put everything away, get comfy, and I will talk to you in a little bit. Maybe we're also gonna get started on dinner soon, so see you later. Alright amiga, I changed into something more comfy. I'm wearing a sweater and some pajama pants actually. And I also finished uploading my second Vlogmas video. So I'm super proud that, you know, I already have 2 videos in. And according to my schedule, they are 15 videos in total this month. So I have 2 out of 15 uploaded, which is great. And now I'm about to go make a dinner. For dinner tonight, we are about to have rice with chicken and green beans. Benny is in charge of the green beans and I am in charge of the chicken and the sauce, and he also is gonna do the rice. So yeah, let's go do that. It is now the next day. Today is Saturday and I already showered and got ready for the day. I'm gonna meet with my friend Ida. We have some errands to do in the city. My roses are dying, so I want to stop at the market and get new flowers. And yeah, it's gonna be just a little fun day in the city with my friend. We're gonna have lunch together, so it's about to be a fun day. This week was filled with meeting up with friends and stuff, and I've really missed my friends, so I really think it's fun to see them again, and also during this Vlogmas season. But yeah, I quickly wanted to jump in and talk to you real quick. I'm now gonna get ready, but since I know that I already did like a get ready part in this vlog, I don't want to make it repetitive, so I'll get back to you when I have my makeup done and I'm ready to leave the house. Alright, let's do this. So amiga, I am now at the bus stop waiting for the bus. I managed to finish getting dressed and ready, and I'm excited to go see my friend. I'm a little bit late because when I arrived at the bus stop, the bus just left, so hopefully I won't have to wait too long for the next one. But yeah, we're on our way to the station. Hey amiga, Ida and I. Hi Ida. Hi. We are at my house because I'm here like in every single vlog. We come here a lot, don't we? Yeah. So anyways, we are at my house, Hawaiian poke bowl. And we ordered our food. We're gonna have a little lunch. But anyways, we're gonna enjoy our food, and after this we will keep you up to date with what we're doing. Alright. Okay, little update amiga, we are now at Primark in the fitting rooms, but I quickly wanted to show you my own outfit that I'm wearing today. I'm wearing these jeans, Doc Marten boots, this jacket from H&M, and then very cute jewelry from Dior and also from Atelier Jean. This is via Maison de Bijoux. I will link them in the description box down below if you want to check it out. But they have like gold plated jewelry from Dior, Louis Vuitton and all of that. And then I also have like Christian Dior earrings also from Maison de Bijoux. And then this headband from Primark. Cute. I'm gonna see if they have more. But yeah, that's my outfit of the day. Now let me go try on my shit that I took. How about you? Ik vind het wel mooi.
Ja?
Of misschien nog een maatje kleiner, schat. Ja, hè? Een S'je dan. I love that on you. You need to buy that. And I have this, but I feel like a plain Jane in this. And I have so many things that look like this already, so I don't know if I really need this. And I'm trying to buy things that I only need. This is a medium. Maybe I should try the large. Maybe I will like it more if it's oversized. This one, I know I have so many things that look like this already, so I'm really basic for getting it, but I love it, okay? Why fix something that isn't broken? We're getting this one. Yes, yes. And I like to wear it with these type of jackets that Ida is wearing, because if I wear like something with long sleeves, I will be hot. So.
Wil je dit even passen?
Nee, dat is goed. Ik weet al hoe het eruit gaat zien, but I'm gonna wear it with something like that. Like, yeah. Look how cute.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside.
Starbucks. We are gonna have a little coffee and maybe a little snack before we go home. Ida is gonna treat now. And I also got my flowers. I got a combination of soft pink and also fuchsia pink flowers. And I thought it would be a nice pop of color for a change, you know, because the decor in our house is pretty neutral, so thought that would be nice. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna wait for my coffee now and chit chat with my friends, and then I'll talk to you in a little bit. Your girl is back home, and I thought it would be fun to give you a little haul of all the things that I've bought. The first thing I'm going to start off with is this little bouquet of flowers. I got light pink ones and also fuchsia pink. So we stopped at the Christmas shop. They gave me a hand gel. I didn't pay for that, so not really sure what happened there. But anyways, I got a hand gel from the Christmas shop. And then I got like 2 light thingies because I want to decorate in my room a little bit, not too crazy. I don't want to go overboard. This is what it looks like. Cute. That is so cute for at night when I'm just in my room or watching a movie with those little lights on. So freaking cute. Like, you don't have to be this extra. I do it just because I make videos and I just feel like it's more aesthetically pleasing when my room is also decorated for Christmas, you know. Then I also got this LED tree. I wanted something more simple, but I'm not gonna complain. I am happy with this as well. This is what it looks like. Oh, that's so freaking cute. And on the top it has a little star. So I love that. That is amazing. Woo! I love. And then I also stopped at Primark, where I also got a few things. The first thing I got is this vest that I was already talking about in the store. It is just cute. I like these little Spencer vests. I just love it. I also got this bag. It's a crossbody bag, or you can wear it in 2 different ways. You can wear it crossbody, but you can also wear it like with both of the straps on, like, over your shoulder. So this is it. And I just thought it was so cute. I wanted a bag like this. And I don't know, it's such a trend right now. So therefore, I thought like one from Primark will do. You also have these in designer, but I don't really see the point in that. For designer stuff, I prefer like things that are more timeless. And this is really cute, but I think it's really on trend at the moment. And it is super spacious. So my vlog camera will be able to fit in here. There's a separate compartment for like cards and things like that, you know, and it also has a zipper. So yeah, I think I will be able to fit a lot of things in here, unless like my YSL bag that I've been carrying around the last few days. I feel like this one will be like more easy for when it's Vlogmas. So I also got a notebook for me. It's the Aquarius notebook. Just thought it was so fun. And then I also got my sister one. This is for the Leo season, for the Leos. And then we also have matching pens. So for me, it's the blue one, and for her, it's the Leo one. But I might like switch them so that I can have like a Leo one and she can have an Aquarius one. We will see. I think it will be fun, you know? So that. And we're both very into journaling and stuff, so I think that will be super cute. Then I also got 2 decor items at Primark. So it's just this. It's like 2 little houses. Oh, and it lights up like that. Oh my god, that's so freaking cute. That is so freaking cute. I love that. I wanted these like forever, and I was never able to find them. And then all of a sudden I just saw them at Primark for just €4 only. So I was like, yes, we are buying this. So super happy with that. And simple in white, so it's so cute. I love it. Yeah, so here we have my old flowers. I'm gonna change them out for new ones. They did pretty good. They lasted up to 2 weeks, which is not too bad at all. So we're gonna throw them out, change out clean the vases, and then put new flowers.
Jennifer.
Castle.
Tak, 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 tak.
I got the first one ready. Oh, it's so pretty. And here is the second vase. Hey guys, so today is a new day and I am here with Shaida. She is the birthday girl today. It's her birthday and we are at Shoe Cafe. We're gonna have like something nice for her birthday, so I figured I would include that in the vlog as well. But yeah, I got her some flowers and Benny is here as well. Like, let me show you the guests. These are all our guests. And in the back we have a table for the boys. So yeah, I'll keep you posted, but we're gonna enjoy it and enjoy the B-roll. Cheers! Cheers, amigas!
Oké. Jovi, jij gaat alvast met papa, oké? Want we passen niet in één auto.
Ga je ook mee? Ja.
Dan wij komen strakjes thuis.
Ja, ik ben de
Oh my god, het is schattig! we left Shoe Cafe and we are now gonna head to Shaida's house because there was our other reservation. Our time slot was over. So we're now in the car with the ladies. She's driving and two other ladies in the back. It's a little dark, I'm sorry about that. But yeah, we're now heading to Shaida's house. We're gonna continue to eat cake there. Alright? Waarom niet?
Jullie gaan Shaida leren hoe ze moet inpakken en buiten zetten. Of op de post zetten. Je gaat me een dagje bellen voor je pin. Shaida heeft me op de trein gezet. Zonder mijn crypto.